you wanna get glam today, gotta be Liz Rich for sure.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are styling my client's natural hair and giving her a haircut, so let's get started.
Thinking about it, and I might need something new. The spring clean couldn't cut it, and I just went shopping. 2 new restaurants for breakfast, brunch, and dinner feels cliche. The therapy that will heal me is a touch up to this dude. Style and color, braids get butter, cut and a cleave or a bob and a weave. Long ass pony would look good on me. Bantu can do, yes, my plans to get glam today. Looking for that fresh wrap, gonna get glam today. Hit Liz Rich on that app, gonna get glam today. Wash and press and go if you wanna get glam today. Gotta be Liz Rich for sure.
From the first moment I saw you, I knew I had to make you mine. Wanted to know everything about you. I didn't want to waste no time. What's something I can do for you, darling, that would make you smile? I'll bring you flowers, girl, enough to see for miles. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. I love your style, and I love your grace. Said I love to put a smile on your pretty little face. I love it when you're close to me. That's where I want you to always be. I didn't know when I found you that I would find a love so true. And you can see it in my eyes. That girl, you've got me hypnotized. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.
The afternoon comes and goes.